It was really good, people. Welcome back. Axtuo is back at me. How you doing? How you been? I hope everything is good with you. Got this 2016's Hyundai Santa Fe. Okay, this is the third generation. So if you have a car between 2013 and 2016, this video is for you. I want to show you real quick how to do the oil change in this baby. Also, I have another video how to replace the brake light. Look it up in my channel. Before I jump into the action, I just want to give shout outs to my subscribers, viewers. What you waiting for? Subscribe now. Since you're down there, get your membership. Shout outs to everybody that support the channel from the bottom of my heart. Thanks a lot. Where would I be without you? Don't forget to show your appreciation by, as a return of kindness, by smashing the super tense button. It look like heart. Smash that. Go through it, you see what's up, do your thing, do your part. Other than that, you want me to reach more people, share this video, like, anything you want to say about this car, this video, anything, any feedback, put in the comment box. Let me know how you feel. More or less, I'm gonna show you how to do this oil change. Come on, let's go, let's get it. That's me. Hey, let's go, let's do it. Yeah. How the baby looks like, okay. Now you wanna open the hood, come down here. Pull it once. Now you come over here. Here's the latch or the lever to open the hood. You don't need to hold it though because it has two pistons on each side. Okay. This car, by the way, has 114,000 miles. Oil dipstick, engine oil cap. It's gonna tell you what type of oil it needs. It's gonna tell you what type of oil it needs. It says 5W20. Coolant reservoir, windshield fluid reservoir, mount, ABS, lower port for the AC if you want to refill the AC. This is the high port for the AC, engine oil filter, battery, fuse pods, brake fluid reservoir. Pretty much. Oh, this is a 2.4, by the way, 2.4 liter engine. Coming down here where everything is beautiful. Let's see what's up. Now over here is the oil drain plug. Okay, right next to it is the oil filter. Now, as you can see, you could remove the cover, but if you don't want to do all that, that's why you can have those holes. Okay, let's do that. I'm not gonna remove the cover. Come on, 17 millimeter. Oh shit! Now we're draining the oil. Once you're done with that, put the oil drain plug back, and of course, clean after yourself. I drain most of it, so I want to put the oil drain plug back, tight it 17 millimeter range or socket, whatever you feel more comfortable with. For this oil filter, I'm just going to use this. All the tools that I'm using, I'm going to put it right below this video. Alright, you see it in the view products section. Go to here, turn it counterclockwise, lose the oil filter. I'm going to put some rag. I'm going to put a rag here around the hole because I don't want the oil to there it is. Okay. I'm gonna let it drain for a minute. That oil filter is full with oil. Now, I'm gonna use a rag just in case. Oof, oof, oof. There you go. Okay. Okay. That's how it looks like. So that I'm gonna wipe it. You can see through here. Just wiping it. Okay. That looks better. I'm gonna put the new oil filter there. Now this, you see it. I just put some oil. This gasket, this whole ring is gonna come dry. Okay. All you gotta do is put some oil and put it back where you got it from. And that's pretty much it with this down here. With your rag, everything's good. Alright, down here it's gonna be 5W20. Put your funnel there. So I'm gonna put 4.5 quarts first. Then I'm gonna, remove the funnel, put the engine oil cap back, start the car, let it idle for a minute. In the meanwhile, I can check all the fluids. I'll put 4.5. Should be Gucci. Just cut back. I'm gonna start the car now. 1 second. Starting the car now. The car is running right now. Like I said, I'm gonna let it idle for a minute. Should be good. Let's check the level. You probably need some more. How much you wanna bet? Put it in the comment box. Ooh, almost there. It's supposed to be here where the F is. It's supposed to be here. But it's right there. Almost. So it's maybe. Let me check it again. I think that's fine. 4.5. It's perfect. Yeah, pretty much. You see it, it's right there. 4.5. That's it. Yeah, right here. I'm gonna start it from the beginning. Show you how to reset the oil life. Start the car. You can do it while the car is running. It's okay. We're gonna play with these buttons. Okay. There's a menu. Scroll down. Enter. Now probably you're gonna see it right there. Then press the menu. Go to the range. Scroll down. Now over here, it's gonna tell you, you need to do the oil change, right? All you gotta do is press the arrow. It tells you right there, reset. Press it and hold it. And it's gonna take you to the it's gonna reset it. I did it already, so that's all you gotta do. That's how you reset the oil life in this baby. Alright guys, I'm gonna leave right here. Thank you for watching. Highlight your boy. You know where to find me. Axtuo Ax.